Now, having said this, the 37th meeting in Goa was significant not only because it was in Goa. On the same day, at an earlier press conference, there were big bang announcements by the Union Finance Minister, that is lowering of the corporate tax and a slew of other measures which the entire industry, the entire business community all over the country have welcomed it in a big way. In fact, they say after the 1991 decisions for opening up the economy, this is a second opening and a bigger opening and a very meaningful opening for new investments, for growth, for existing people to expand and to get direct foreign investment. Looking at the world scenario, what is happening between the trade war between China and America or the United States, this is a golden opportunity which we have to seize.